and is within reach of malls, public markets, schools, and hospitals. Dito, kaya mo na maging star. Sa iyong Amayascapes Laguna home, stand out ka. Kaya mo nang iharap sa lahat ang iyong stylish home. Every house is also energy efficient. The light-colored roofing and walls are designed to reflect sunlight and minimize indoor heat, while the strategically placed windows let more natural light in. Dito, kaya mo nang magpalaki ng champion. Enjoy a master-planned community kung saan mabubuo ang pangarap ng iyong mga anak. Dito, jackpot ka sa quality. Kampante ka dahil ang Amayascapes Laguna provides 1-year warranty on workmanship. Matibay at maaasahan din ang construction ng bawat bahay. Kaya't kaya mo na maging confident